Okay, so basically what we'd like to do is to be able to create this area into an office. Down into this hallway, we want to paint the hallway. We want to put the light in the hallway. And then, so you'll be coming up from this stairway. This is the hallway, sort of a high ceiling. We got to do all the painting here, put the light on. There's a place for a door downstairs. And then we come up here. On this side will be a bathroom, male bathroom, female bathroom around the corner. We're going to concentrate on the ceiling, painting this entire area, and building a wall here in the front to create an office. So we'll create an office with the door entrance. And then this would be, all of this would be out. This would be our office. We're going to get some tile to fit up on the floor. And, you know, we got some work on the ceiling over there. That's going to be done. So a lot of painting, a lot of just, you know, fitting out an office really. We're going to put a door on there. So 1 door, 2 doors. We'll have all this spelled out in the plan, but if we have the ability to, we'll work on the plumbing and look at some things inside the bathrooms as well. At this point, you know, there's nothing in here. We'd have to set commodes and all those kind of things. But the main thing that I want the group to be able to finish is to set up this administrative office. So basically, when you come up from the stairs, you can go right to go to some other areas, projects that we have in the incubator. On the left will be the classroom. If you look downstairs, that's actually inside the sanctuary downstairs. But we want to be able to create this administrative office so that we can move the office things that are downstairs up into this area. All right, so that's going to be the main project that we are working on with you guys as you come in. If we have time, there are a lot of other little projects that we can work on, but I'd love to be able to see if we can finish the painting of the hallway, the walkway, and completely set up this office so it's functional. Probably even we can do some things about internet, probably some things, I don't know who can do electricity. We can look at those things when you are here. We can talk about that. As you can see, there's power here, but we just need to be able to get the power up here. Thank you.